Butterfly knives, also known as bali songs, are a type of folding knife that originated in the Philippines. There are many products available to choose butterfly knives, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best butterfly knives from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Butterfly Knife Bali Song Trainer. The Grandway Butterfly Trainer is an excellent tool for beginners and teenagers who want to practice butterfly knife skills. Made of durable 420 stainless steel, this Bali Song Trainer is lightweight, easy to handle, and safe to use. The dull blade ensures that you can practice without any cuts or injuries. It comes with an ebook that contains useful information about outdoor activities and tactical weaving. Additionally, it makes for a perfect gift for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, and Thanksgiving Day. Number 2. Good Worker Butterfly Trainer. The Good Worker Trainer is a high-quality and durable butterfly trainer made of 420 stainless steel. It is designed for everyday use and is suitable for beginners and teenagers. The trainer is lightweight and easy to handle, making it accessible and safe. The blade is blunt and dull, ensuring practice without any cuts or injuries. With its corrosion and treatment resistance, the trainer offers high durability. It also makes for a perfect gift idea for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. The Good Worker Trainer is a great tool to understand the mechanics of a butterfly knife while keeping your hands safe. Number 3. Black Practice Butterfly Train. The Good Worker Trainer is a high-quality butterfly practice tool made of metal. Designed for beginners and teens, this trainer features a safe blunt and dull skeleton blade, ensuring practice without any cuts or injuries. It is lightweight, easy to handle, and simple to use, making it accessible and suitable for everyday practice. The corrosion-resistant and durable construction of this Black Bali Song trainer ensures long-lasting performance. With clear instructions on how to adjust the tightness of the butterfly, it can be customized for individual preferences. The Good Worker Trainer also makes a perfect gift for occasions like Christmas, graduation, anniversary, birthday, or Thanksgiving Day. Number 4. Practice Butterfly Knife Trainer. The VORNNEX Practice Butterfly Trainer is a durable and safe tool for those who want to learn how to use a butterfly knife without risking cuts or bruises. The unsharpened blade, made of enhanced stainless steel, allows for hours of flipping fun with a perfectly balanced weight of 6 ounces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, suitable for a variety of fancy actions. This trainer is perfect for intermediate users and butterfly knife lovers. Number 5. Multicolor Practice Butterfly Trainer. The Good Worker Trainer knife is a quality and durable stainless steel butterfly knife trainer. The butterfly knife is not sharp and has no offensive blade, making it safe for beginners and teenagers to use. The trainer knife is simple, lightweight, and easy to handle. It comes with a blunt and dull blade that ensures practice without any cuts or injuries. The butterfly knife trainer provides excellent corrosion and treatment resistance, making it highly durable. It is a perfect gift idea for Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, Thanksgiving, and other occasions.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.